We've just arrived. Hey, husband burger.
Hey, wife burger.
What are we doing today?
We are kayaking today. We have got the boat out. We are on the water, and we're here at the Willow Creek access, right off of Folsom Lake, I think.
Folsom Boulevard, yeah.
Folsom Boulevard.
We tried Lake Natoma, but they were all full. So we are going to access the Lake Natoma area another way by parking here at, what's it called again?
Willow Creek.
Willow Creek.
Yeah, that's exactly.
And we'll paddle out this way, and it will lead us toward Lake Natoma. Some fellow paddlers out there. It's a busy day on the Sacramento waters.
A lot of people recreating today.
A lot of recreating.
Lake Natoma was packed.
It's a beautiful day. First thing we see is these enormous swans. Very cool. See what's happening under the water. You think it's okay for me to just dunk it under the water?
Go for a dip.
What's going on? Ooh, what's happening here? Bye, swans.
See you, swans.
See you later, swans.
Bye, swans.
All right, we're setting off on an adventure. Let's see what we see. Which way do you want to go?
Well, so to the right is Black Miner's Bar. To the left is more of the Lake Natoma area that we've explored before.
Okay. Is that a deer over there? It's a deer. See
Oh
it?
wow, yeah.
I don't know if you can zoom in.
I can't zoom. You can't zoom in on a GoPro.
Oh, that sucks.
Or maybe you can, but I don't
Is that
think
a
you
deer?
can. That's totally a deer.
Maybe I can get it with my phone. All right, there's a deer. Oh, there's two. We've just gotten on the water, looking for a place to have lunch, paddling across the river to this area where these cliffs and trees are, and we see these little deer here having a drink. We saw those huge swans on the way in, and then of course we've seen some Canada geese. Oh, there's one climbing up the hill too. There's a lot of deer over here.
Yeah, there's a bunch.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow, tons of wildlife.
First large wildlife sighting of the day. Although swans are enormous birds, so maybe they could be considered large. I'm glad I was able to get the phone out and zoom in so we could see these beautiful deer. They're really kind of far away. Here's where we are, for real. Even further.
Look at this little rock formation.
They are beautiful.
Look how beautiful.
Very cool.
Hummingbird flowers.
Beautiful, beautiful day. The water feels so nice. I'm gonna go for a swim later on. But first, find a place by these deer to have our lunch. Oh, is that one a baby?
The one that we can see.
Yeah, looks quite young. Oh, there's a bigger one on the,
One right behind it.
yeah. No, we don't. I'm gonna put the phone down and watch
We just wanted to light it.
IRL. What a magical moment.
Yeah, wow. So beautiful.
Watching these deer be deer. What are we doing?
Having lunch here on Lake Natoma, just outside the Willow Creek access.
On our boat.
On our boat.
What'd we get?
Well, we picked up pita pit today. Just did the little to-go order.
Pita.
Yeah, it's really good. We did this last week. We went down to the river last week and grabbed these pitas before we went. And it was just like the perfect thing to eat. Because it is 100 degrees out today.
shall we?
Yeah, we're gonna head down that way.
Let's head
paddle
down
a little
that
bit.
way.
Well, I'll stop filming and I'll start helping you paddle.
All right, sounds good. So we found a spot to tie up our boat and take a dip. What are you doing, Heisenberger?
About to take a swim.
Go for it.
This is a cool spot.
Awesome spot. Jump in. Whoa. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold, but it feels good because it's so hot out.
Yeah. That looks good. Oh, the personal flotation device. It's the jam.
Yeah.
Look at that. Talk about a relaxing Sunday. Yes. We are here to soak up some nature and rejuvenate before the week begins. Hi.
Hey.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling really great. Yeah, it feels so good to be out on the water today.
You're nice and cool now that you've taken a dip?
Yeah, the water feels great. It's always cold. It doesn't matter how hot it is, the water is always cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming off the mountains.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
It really is.
Nice and cool.
There's quite a few.
Now that we got to be in the water, we found this beautiful cove. Lots of peeps recreating.
But still tons of space.
Tons of space. Can always find a little piece of nature for ourselves. And this is a good one, I think.
It's like our own private island.
Our own private island. There was a hawk there when we arrived.
Yeah.
We'll share it with him if he wants to come back.
He's more than welcome to come back. We love and welcome all creatures on our island.
Yes, we do. Hey guys, I love your hair. Cormorants out there. Oh, there he goes. Yes. There he goes. Tracking him perfectly as he flies in a circle. Oh, that was cool. He's showing off for us. Hey, look at this rock in the middle of the... Yeah, isn't that interesting? Cool bird. Oh. Pretty good wildlife day so far. Here's another big tree. There's usually stuff nearby. Maybe we'll see a turtle or something. Some birds. Nope. No turtles.
Nothing there.
And no more mergansers. Oh,
there's...
whoa.
Whoa.
That is something.
That's like a couple of vultures.
Vultures eating something. Can you tell what the dead animal was?
No, I can't.
Maybe a deer. Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally a deer.
I think a dead deer.
Yeah, it's totally a dead deer.
Wow, nature. All the things you see
No.
when out exploring and on adventure. The circle of life. We saw some healthy baby deer just moments ago when we first arrived.
Wow.
The rope. Oh no, we drifted ashore.
should we keep going up there, or should we turn around and start just floating back?
Well, it's not going to be a float. I think we're going to have to paddle.
I think we're gonna have to paddle a little bit.
Quite a lot. I don't know. There's some cool stuff if we keep going around that way, but that is a long paddle too.
Now we're back here in these little canals.
What do you want?
Let's go. Let's keep going forward.
All right, husband burger.
All right, we made it out to the Black Miners Bar area.
There's the main Black Miners Bar beach area. This is the park area with trails. There's the launch spot. Black Miners Bar launch spot. Very busy. Couple of bridges. Folsom Prison up that way. We paddled up that way to the prison, right? Yeah. Oh, and it looks like there might be some cool canals over here. Maybe we should explore that direction, husband burger. Yeah, let's go check that out. And then this has been a pretty long paddle already. Maybe we start heading back.
Yeah.
Start the paddle back. So we have paddled from the Willow Creek River access to Black Miners Bar, right? And we explored all these little canals on the side of the river. And then we took a little swim, and now we are on our way back. We've begun the return paddle. How you feeling, husband burger?
I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, it's nice out here. It was a little bit noisy, a little bit crowded out there.
Yes, we found.
The beach,
Yes, the beach. We found where all the peeps are. The party peeps.
yeah, party peeps are down.
We found the party peeps at the beach at Black Miners Bar. And now we're returning. The Willow Creek area is quite a bit quieter. And we saw a lot more wildlife down there. So we're heading back that way because it's a little bit more our speed. Okay, on the return paddle from Black Miners Bar back to Willow Creek access. We found another place to stop. This beautiful little beachy spot on the side. On the way back. It's really actually some nice space here. Trees, some ground if you had chairs or a blanket, be a good spot for a picnic. And you get to look at this beautiful drop off right here. The color of the water, so pretty. It's also a really peaceful area. Not a ton of other recreators. Hey, husband burger.
Hey, wife burger.
That sunburn on your knees, looking pretty bad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cover you up.
Got me today. Yeah.
Cover you up on the way home.
Well, I usually have bottoms to these pants, and I just unzipped the bottoms and decided to just go with the shorts, but it was a mistake.
Oh no. Hey,
burnt.
smile. Cheese. It's a good picture. I took a picture. Beautiful spot. We have just about made it back to... Why do I always forget the name of this place? Willow's Cove? Creek. Willow Creek. Just about getting back to the Willow Creek River access off of Folsom Boulevard. There. Those rock formations there mark the entrance. Apparently that's not the way. I thought that was the way. But I think if we go around this, it'll take us back where we started. Let's see who's right. Yes, I see some swans, which, if you'll remember when we started our video, that was the first thing that we saw was 2 swans. And I see some swans. So, continuing, let's see who's right. So, Whiteburger was correct. We are back to the parking lot. Here we are. Back in this cool little lagoon. Now we will pull the kayak out and start the process of drying out and loading up.
Start the process of going home. We should add getting frozen yogurt to that process.
Maybe some frozen yogurt in our future. Oh, all the ducks are coming. Hello, ducks. Oh, they're eating. It's dinner time. The winds have picked up and there's been some cloud cover that has come in. Overall, a beautiful day. What do you think, Cousin Burger?
I think it's been a great day. It's been so fun out here. And I haven't paddled in quite a while, so just felt good to get back out here. Get the boat out, knock the dust off, loosen up a little bit.
Yeah.
We were out here for a while too. I mean, I feel like it's been
4.5 hours. Long time. Beautiful day of paddling and adventure. All right, so what is this place called again?
We're at the Willow Creek access point for Lake Natoma.
Okay.
And we paddled all the way up to Black Miners Bar. Now we're back at Willow Creek.
Lovely. So Willow Creek to Black Miners Bar and back. Let's call it an adventure.
Let's call it an adventure.